Alright, there's another video for TreeHT, and this one is about exercise 51. We need to calculate QR, which is this length, and we need to calculate RS, which is that length, and we need to calculate for exercise B, PQ, which is that length. And then for every thing that you need to calculate, you can use either the sine, cosine, or tangent, or the similar triangles, or the Pythagorean theorem, right? But in this case, I don't think these triangles are similar, so we're not going to use that. So we just have tan, sine, and cosine, and the Pythagorean theorem. First I'm going to calculate QR. So I'm going to take a look at this triangle over there, where we know this angle, that's 62 degrees, and we know this side. And this is the one we want to know. And that's the adjacent side, and it's the opposite side if you compare it with this angle. So we're going to use the tangent. So underneath here I'm going to write down that the tangent of 62, this angle, is the opposite side, 3.8, divided by the adjacent side, which is QR. So then QR equals 3.8 divided by the tangent of 62. So if you calculate that, then you know what QR is. So QR is 2.0 then. Alright? Then we're going to calculate RS also. So for RS, that's the hypotenuse. And we know the opposite side. So that means we have to use the sine, because the sine uses the opposite side in the hypotenuse. So the sine of 62 is the opposite side, 3.8, divided by the hypotenuse, the one we don't know, that's RS. So if you want to calculate RS, you do 3.8 divided by the sine of 62. Now if you calculate that, then you get 4.3, and that's the answer for RS. So we have QR and RS now. And now we're going to go to question B. Question B says calculate PQ. So if you want to calculate PQ, then we don't know any angles, so we're going to use the Pythagorean theorem. So we do this one squared minus that one squared to get PQ. So in the square root you do 5.8 squared minus 3.8 squared. And if you calculate that, then you have the answer, which is in this case 4.2. And there you're done. Yeah, so this is, sometimes send you the answers, right, for the questions. For the Pythagorean theorem, you can do this very small calculation, but in the book, in the answer book, they still do like this very big calculation, like this one squared plus that one squared is that, and then you work all of it out. But basically, we just do the last step, and that's enough, right? You understand how this works. So, yeah, this was exercise 51. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye.